Hello aspirants, how are you doing? I hope you are all doing very good. Welcome to our channel Tej Career. My name is Dharmateja K. In this video we will be discussing about SBI PO Mains 2021 to 2022 which was conducted on 2nd January 2022. That was conducted in 2 shifts. As you all know, before that, I would like to ask you a small favor. This is our new YouTube channel, Tej Career. I have launched this channel to provide some valuable information regarding banking and finance. So let's see how was the paper. Fine. We all know that SBI PO Mains 2021 was conducted on Jan 2nd in 2 shifts, right? Okay, and you are all very aware of the pattern. However, I'm giving you the pattern here. There might be some new persons preparing for banking and all. So SBI PO Mains pattern consists of 4 main sections: reasoning with computer aptitude, PTITUDE. Okay, reasoning, computer aptitude. Generally these days questions from computer aptitude were not being asked, and data interpretation. Okay, and then general awareness. This is related to banking. Okay, finance. Okay, economy. Fine, and then English. Okay, coming to reasoning, it consists of 45 questions for 60 marks, and the time allotted is 60 minutes. Okay, data interpretation consists of 35 questions for 60 marks, and the allotted time is 45 minutes. General awareness questions consists of 40 questions, 40 marks with 35 minutes of time. Okay, 35 minutes of time. And then English section consists of 35 questions, 40 marks for, and then for 45 minutes. Okay, so overall we have 155 questions, and total marks is 200 marks, and time allocated is 3 hours. Having said this, there is also a descriptive paper followed by objective objective paper. Descriptive consists of 30 minutes of time with 50 marks. Okay, and then it basically consists of essay writing and letter writing. Fine. So in SBI PO Mains notification, it is given that approximately 3 times of category vacancies will be called for interview. Okay, if you have gone through the notification, 2056 vacancies are mentioned, so multiplied by 3 times. Okay, around 6,300 something. So overall 6,500 persons will be called for interview. Okay, this will be the total count will be called for interview. So having said this, we will go through the analysis of the mains paper. So regarding how many questions were asked in reasoning, data interpretation and all. Okay, So let us see English section, okay, and then data interpretation, and then reasoning, and then general by banking. Okay, questions asked were 35 questions. So in this good attempts, this year the English paper is some people say it is moderate to easy, and some for those people who have not prepared well, it might be difficult also, but it is overall moderate. So good attempts is around 21 to 25. Okay, and then let us see the difficulty level also here. I mean level it is easy to moderate. Okay, so in this paper no new type of questions were asked, with an exemption of error detection, something error detection new pattern were asked. DI is also quite lengthy and bit difficult. Okay, so English question, I mean question out of 35 questions, approximately around 11 to 13-14 questions is a quite good attempt. Okay, this is for those people who have prepared well, it is moderate, and overall it is difficult. Okay, in reasoning, out of 45 questions, this time it is bit, I won't say it is difficult, it is moderate, because this year 3 puzzles were asked, and then remaining are miscellaneous related to blood relations, ranking and all, coded Chinese coding and all. So but it is time consuming, so I would say this is 13 to 16 is quite good attempt. This is also moderate to difficult. Okay, and then general awareness out of 45 questions, 20 to 25 is good attempt, I think so, because nothing new was asked. It is as usual related to some questions. Some 22 questions were asked from current affairs, and then related to banking and all, around some 18 questions were asked. We'll see that in the coming the coming process. I don't say this is difficult. This is moderate. This is moderate to easy. Okay, fine. So out of 155 questions, good attempts is around 75 to 80 is good attempt. But keep in mind, this is the least level which we can do to qualify for interview. So around some 80 to 95 questions attempting. If you have attempted 80 to 95 questions, you are in safe hands. You need not worry about whether I will qualify for interview or not. Okay, so overall the difficulty level is moderate to difficult. Okay, so don't worry if the paper is difficult. Okay, and then after you have completed this 3 hours of objective paper, descriptive paper is followed. Coming to descriptive essay writing. Okay, you all know this is 30 minutes of time for 50 marks, right? In essay writing, nothing new was asked. One question which is more, I think you might have seen while you might have prepared this topic. Okay, so these days in 2021, privatization of banks has happened. Okay, government has taken this initiative of privatization. Okay, this is rather not government has not taken privatization, we call it as monetization. But some a topic related to privatization and monetization asked. Question is bank privatization Is bank privatization? Sorry, I don't think you're all following. Is bank privatization beneficial? Okay, and then one question related to economic importance of education. Okay, and then parenting what we say, parenting irrespective of gender. In some websites, this question was written as okay, gender stereotyping, some parents may favor a boy child, some parents may favor a girl child. Okay, this is some type of stereotyping. Okay, and this question is related to you can also think it as monetization or privatization. Fine, having said this, we'll go to letter writing later. Okay, so in this section a question was asked write a letter applying to your HR for executive post. Okay, and then another this is something different, something not, this is not just directly letter, this is something like cover letter. Okay, and then another question was asked like letter to manager for employee training. Okay, another letter was asked, something letter to editor sharing your experiences for your famous actor who passed away recently. This is actor passed away. Okay, so this is just overall view of how paper was asked regarding objective and descriptive, and then we'll see how was the individual section wise pattern. Okay, let us see reasoning first. Coming to reasoning section, questions were asked from linear puzzles. A linear puzzle was asked based on north seating. This is of 5 questions. This puzzle was asked based on 10 persons. Okay, 10 persons with blood relation. Okay, another question was asked like 2 different circles were given. Okay, out of those 12 persons are there and 6 couples were there. This is one type of puzzle, 5 questions. Okay, as usual, machine input output input was given. This is based on word puzzle, word based, not puzzle, word based. Fine, this is around 5 questions were given, and then data sufficiency, 5 questions, reverse syllogism. This is around 4 questions, something related to logical reasoning. 4 questions were given, and then another puzzle was asked based on month. Okay, 4 months were given, and their ages were given. Ages of person were given. Persons of total 8 persons were given. This is one type of puzzle asked. Okay, and then one rectangular seating rectangular seating. Okay, arrangement puzzle. This is arrangement puzzle based on word. Okay, keep in mind this is based on word. Some inequality questions. Okay, direction questions, and then Chinese decoding, alphabet based puzzle. Sorry, this is already given. Alphabet based puzzle means this arrangement puzzle. Okay, fine. And then ranking, based on ranking. So this is around 4 questions. Rectangular seating is 4 questions. Arrangement puzzle is around 3 questions. Inequality is around 2. Direction is 4. And Chinese decoding is around Chinese decoding is around 2 questions, I think so. Ranking is around 2 questions. Overall 45 questions. If you have observed in this section, usually SBI PO asks many questions based on puzzle, but this year there is a change. There's a change. Many questions were asked from direction sense, versalogium, okay, inequality, coding and decoding, which we could not find in the previous papers. This year there were no questions based on critical reasoning, like statements and assumptions, statements and conclusions, okay, course of action. Such type of questions were not asked. Okay, I mean, in the sense there were only few questions were asked. Weightage to critical reasoning is very less this year. Okay, and then we'll see how data analysis was asked. Please give me a time. And then we'll see how data analysis was asked. Coming to DI, okay, DI based on table was given, and then DI based on bar graph was given, and DI, this is based on time and work. Okay, and then bar graph is based on trains. This is around 5 questions. Okay, on data sufficiency question was asked. Okay, data sufficiency question was asked. I'm not sure whether data sufficiency was asked based on but I'm sure that one DI was asked based on shows. A certain number of shows was given, and persons watching the shows was given. Okay, remaining shows were given, and then people watching in theaters was given, and then episodes was given. Something related to this type of DI was asked. Okay, and then in this DI some data is missing. This is missing DI. Okay, and then was on caselet. Caselet was given. I mean data sufficiency. Data sufficiency of 3 questions. Caselet is given. Caselet DI. Okay, quantity based, like certain type of 2-3 quantities will be given. You have to compare them. This is 5 types. Missing number series. Three questions. Okay, overall 5, 10, 10, 13, 21, 26, and some excuse me, and then one more DI is given based on department. Some department ABC companies were given. Okay, number of employees were given. Okay, and new employees joined was given. Okay, one DI is based on this, and then another DI is based on simple interest and compound interest. Overall, around I'm not sure how many questions were asked from each section, each topic. So overall 35 questions. This is time and work. Most of you are very familiar with the time and work, trains, simple interest and compound interest. Okay, this missing number series. Okay, this is quite doable, but bit tricky and lengthy. So to some people who have not prepared well, it might be they might feel difficult, but overall it is moderate. Okay, this year the paper is moderate. And then coming to English section, this year English section does not have any new type of questions. Okay, like there is no surprise in English section as usual. Reading comprehension, this has got good weightage. Out of 35 questions, reading comprehension got 15 questions as weightage. Okay, one reading comprehension is based on child care. Okay, child care, something related to women empowerment and all. Okay, another reading comprehension is based on colored cotton versus white cotton. One reading comprehension is based on this. Okay, and sentence improvement questions were also asked this year. Okay, some 6 questions were asked, and then phrase replacement. So around 4 questions, fillers. Okay, close test, and then match the following. Okay, fillers are around 5 questions, close test is around 2 questions, and then match the following is around 3 questions. Okay, this is quite bit easy this year. English, I feel English section is easy because no reading comprehension is related to economy or finance. Okay, previously we used to see Chinese economy essays, reading comprehension based on India and Brazil. So such type of questions, reading comprehension is very difficult to understand. But child care and women empowerment and colored cotton versus white cotton, such type of questions, reading comprehensions, people can easily understand. So this is also quite easy, I think so. So sentence improvement is as usual, phrase replacement, fillers, close test, match the following. Okay, out of 35 questions, attempting around, as said earlier, attempting around some 18 to 20 questions is quite a good attempt. Okay, this is very good section. So having said this, let us see other sections also. And the remaining last section is banking. Current affairs, banking, general awareness. Okay, and then GK, something related to GK. Okay, questions related to questions related to IMPS limit. Okay, something like Pradhan Mantri Mitra Yojana, Mitra Park Yojana, something related to textiles, Pradhan Mantri Mitra Yojana, Mitra scheme. This is related to textiles. Questions related to PCA, GDP rate. Okay, GDP rate of Q1 and Q2 was asked, and then National Statistics Organizations. This was asked. This National Statistic Organization is related to GDP, and then question related to wholesale price index. Okay, and question related to Spurti Yojana. Okay, and then in 2019, some of the banks got merged with BOB. Okay, one question related to that, and then so another question related to Geo Payment Bank. Okay, Geo Payment Bank, what is the stake of SBI? One question related to this, and in defense, what is the foreign direct investment allowed by Government of India? Okay, question related to Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana was asked. Okay, and one question related to seventh schedule of Constitution was asked. Okay, and then total number of branches are related to banking. This is related to total number of branches in PSBs. Okay, and one question related to full form CRPC full form was asked. Okay, this is related to banking, and we will see questions related to current affairs. Questions related to, we'll see current affairs. Okay, and one question was asked based on Samudrayan project. One question was asked on Samudrayan project, and another question related to 70th Miss Universe. So one question related to Ramsar sites, 47th Ramsar site. This is in Hyderpur, I think so. And question related to Booker Prize. And then one question related to Royal Gold Medal was given to whom? That is given to Balakrishna Doshi. And then one question related to Australia, UK, US relationship. Okay, submarine deal. One submarine deal was asked based on this. And as usual, you are well aware of the Omicron. Okay, this is a Greek value. This is actually Omicron is a Greek value. So question based on this value, what is the Greek value of Omicron? One question. Okay, and then one question related to Elon Musk. Okay, something Elon Musk magazine something was asked. Another question related to FIDE, like world champion. Who is FIDE world champion? Okay, he is Magnus Carlsen. Okay, another question related to brand, powerful brand technology. Sorry, not brand. Powerful brand. Okay, this is Amazon's. And one question related to Amazon tennis player. Sorry, not Amazon. American tennis player. Overall, this is how questions were asked in SBI PO mains. Okay, so overall current affair questions were around 18 to 20, and then related to banking and economy were all around 20 to 22. Okay, so in this section, this is quite doable. This is not bit nothing new was asked. Okay, everything is as expected. So good attempts is around 25. If you have attempted 25 with 99% or 90% accuracy, you have done very good. So this is how questions were asked. I hope you have enjoyed this video. So if you like the video and if you find this video as useful, please like the video, share the video, and subscribe. So this is the first video I did. Okay, there's no good camera setup and all. I promise you that I will come with a decent video next time. Thank you.